Today our topic is conditional sentences. Type, function, example. Zero conditional express fact or habit. Example, if you mix blue and yellow paint, it turns green. First conditional express a realistic future consequence. Example, if we work hard, we will prepare. Second conditional express unlikely and impossible future consequence. Example, if I were you, I would study more. And the last one, third conditional express realistic past consequence. Example, if you had called me, I would have told you about it.